Welcome back to Titanium Man Garage, and today I'm working on a 2000 Polaris Sportsman 500, and this bad boy's got a couple issues. First of all, I tried to start it. It didn't have spark. Well, it did have spark. It was one spark, no spark. So I pulled the black wire on the CDI, because that'll bypass your kill switch, and I got spark to the spark plug, so I got constant spark. So I'm like, great, this thing should fire right up, right? Wrong. So here's something you guys need to look for if you're having issues with it firing it up. I had spark, I had fuel. So I'm going through the timing. I was going to check the valve lash. And I started turning the flywheel. And when I turn the flywheel, watch this gear. So I'm turning. Look what's not spinning. You hear it. So one of two things are going on here. Snapped woodruff key on the flywheel, or possibly the key going to the gear behind the flywheel that runs this chain. Runs this chain up here. So I'm going to pull the flywheel off and see what I got. I'm going a little crooked on the flywheel, so I want to make sure I'm straight on with my flywheel puller. If you go in at an angle, it's not going to pull it out right. There we go, that's a little better. She's going to be a stubborn one. Whoa. All right. Stator looks pretty nasty. So that woodruff key right here for the flywheel, that's good. So now I have to pull the stator off, because the woodruff key holding the gear that holds your chain on is most likely going to be the issue. So I'm going to pull that stator off. Okay, I got most of the bolts out now. I'm just got the last one to pull. Done there pretty good. Whoa! Ha ha! I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera. I got a snap chain. Look at that. So another thing to look for, I thought it was going to be the woodruff key behind this gear. So I will be installing a new chain, setting the timing and the valve lash, and I'm thinking this bad boy should be good to go. Hope you enjoyed my video, my quick tip of the day. If you haven't subscribed, I got plenty of Polaris repairs. And like always, till next time.